Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Girl Kimberly. So today I have another review. This is a review about a GoPro. I got myself a GoPro. So this is a GoPro right here. It's from Betterware, and it's beautiful GoPro. So I never had a GoPro. So I am extremely happy to test it out and to see how, the quality looks. So it's the Camera Extreme. So it comes like this. We're gonna go ahead and open it. This is what the inside looks like, and I'm gonna take it off like this, and it doesn't have anything inside. And of course it has instructions for you to, if you know how to use it or not. So this is what it looks like. It has all the camera and the whole thing that you need. So it has this little piece that I guess you mount it on like a motorcycle, a bike, or your helmet, whatever. So it has that. And it has this piece as well. Don't know what this is for. And it also has the USB, so I guess you can put your videos in computer. And it also had a little camera. The camera goes in here. I'm going to show you in a minute. So this is the camera here. This is what the camera looks like. It's really small and cute. Pretty awesome. So I was looking at it, and it moves. This thing moves like up and down. And then to take this off, I guess you push. It has a little button on top here, so I guess you just push it and take this off. Let me see. Alright guys, I finally open it. So it has this little button, so you just slide it like this, and you open it from here, right there. So you open it like this, and there you go. And now we're gonna go ahead and open the little screen, and this is what it looks like right there. So now take the camera. This is for underwater. If you're gonna film underwater, you gotta put this on so your camera doesn't screw up or something. So this is a tight little camera. I don't know why that button right here is red, but anyways, it's like camera. I guess these are the things you can move. The side, the little screen, and this over here, that is where the little small place would be to put the SD card and the USB. So if we turned it on, so you turn it on here. I guess it needs to be charged. So I guess the little red button needs to be charged. So yeah, so this is a small little camera. I need to do a test on this camera, see how it works. But this is cool if you're like going to vacation and you're going somewhere to the pool or something. You wanna like I don't know, underwater, record underwater stuff. This is so small. Look, it just fits in your hand. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I guess this is the USB here. It's a USB, and it goes. Let's see. It goes right in there like that, and you just charge it. So I'm gonna charge it. Also, this is where the battery. So let me take the battery out. So this is what the battery looks like. The little small battery right here. That's what the battery looks like. And this is what the camera looks like inside. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back in. Ooh. We're gonna close it like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and charge this so I can do like a test video on it, because I honestly haven't tested or anything, so I don't know how it looks like or something. So I'm gonna charge this, and if you guys want a test video, just comment below. I would love to do it. This is not necessarily have to be in the camera, but if you want to, you can. But mostly this is for like underwater or whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna charge it, and this is pretty cool. I've never had a GoPro, so I don't know how to mount this in. Probably if you were in the bike, you just want a GoPro, you can put it in your helmet and record everything you're doing. So yeah, I gotta learn how to use all these, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, I'm super excited. I have my own little GoPro. I can do vlogs with the little tiny cameras, and I can like put it right here, and I can record everything I'm doing. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. So I'm gonna when I charge this, I'm gonna do another video just to see what stuff they have here in the camera and everything. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm super excited to do like reviews on this GoPro. This is from another company that I got it from. But yes, it's pretty cool, and I'm super excited to show you what quality it has. If you guys have any questions about this little tiny camera, how much it costs and everything, I don't remember how much it costs, but I'm gonna find out how much it costed. If you guys have any questions about this camera, feel free to comment below. And yeah, if you guys like this review, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again to my subscribers for subscribing and getting me to 200 subscribers. So now, thank you so much, and don't forget to push that notification bell. I also have a vlog channel. I'll put it in the description box so you guys can follow me on that too. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.